There's a black man with a black cat living in a black neighborhood. He's got interstate running through his front yard. You know he thinks he's got it so good. There's a woman in the kitchen cleaning up the evening slop, and he looks at her and says, "Hey darling, I can remember when you could stop crying. Oh, but ain't that America? For you and me, ain't that America? Something to see, baby, ain't that America? Home free, yeah. Little big houses for you and me." Well, there's a young man in a t-shirt listening to the rock and roll station. He's got greasy hair, greasy smile. He says, "Lord, this must be my destination, because they told me when I was younger, said, boy, you're gonna be president." But just like everything else, those crazy old dreams just kinda came and went. Oh, but ain't that America for you and me? Ain't that America? Something to see, baby. Ain't that America? Oh, the free, yeah. Little pink houses for you and me. Oh, for you and me.